Good morning, friends. Today I am talking to you from Bali, all ready to go for G20 now. This is something amazing which I would like to share with you during this November workshop. So, lush green jungle of Bali is a special workshop for all of us. Here we are talking about energetics, energy in architecture, energy in Vastu, and how exactly we all will be working towards understanding 9 direction and 5 elements with respect to energies. These 9 directions have a specific impact on our body, an impact on the environment, but how energetically they behave is what we need to find out. There is a geobiology impact, there is a bioenergetic impact, and there is a environmental global energy impact due to these 9 directions. 5 element is also a very important subject here. We talk about 5 elements with respect to energetic behavior of each element on the body and in the environment. Elements and directions are together forming an energetic grid, which we call a major and minor grids. And these major and minor grids affect the geobiology. Geobiology is geopathy, and which is the most important, the sixth canon of Vastu Shilpa Shastra. We'll also be understanding the 5 basic canons: Dik Nirnay, Patakadi Shachand, Manhastalakshan, character of the building, proportion of the building, site planning. We'll try to involve ourselves with all these metaphors of Vedic science, but interpretation will be energetic. Interpretation will be on the basis of your learning with Lecher antenna. So, H3 Gold Lecher Antenna will form our basis for measurement of these energies. And as soon as we measure these energies, as soon as we understand the biology of these energies, we are going to be talking to you how the impact happens energetic. We'll all learn together. We'll all discuss together, and I will be sharing a specific project for which I have been here of a geobiology of a fig. I'll be sharing to you a special project where I have done geobiology study of 50 hectares of land in the UNESCO jungle on the cliff next to the beach, where there is a big community of like-minded people who are getting developed. And with architectural team, I am invited to understand the power spots, understand how the space behaves. And as soon as we identify the behavioral pattern of the space with its power spot, which is amplifying the earth energies or diminishing the earth energies, the architects are now, after my report is submitted, going to design on it. So I'll be sharing these processes also with you during this November workshop. So I welcome you for this workshop. Join us. Don't miss this opportunity. This will be an amazing workshop for newcomers also, because I'll be talking from the base. I'll be introducing energetic architecture, energies, and Vastu logical behavior of energies. Also for the people who have already learned from us. They will upgrade their knowledge. They will understand the new technologies and new system which I have learned in Bali with these amazing guys during G20. And also I will share an incredible experience of mine doing this geobiology study of 50 hectares of land. Welcome. Bye-bye.